Hey friends, do you know what the number one question / struggle that my students have inside my programs? Can you guess what it is? It's raising their prices and charging their worth. I just coached a group of my monthly membership students, and one of the students said, Gina, I really need to start charging more money. I know I undercharge. I had to take off work for a few months. I broke my arm, and they were going to somebody else who's not doing that good of a job, and they're charging double of what I charge. Can you please help me? So I had to coach this student, and I have to coach myself back in the day, and even to this day. Most people have this issue with raising their prices. So we talked about it, and a lot of it is on mindset, and a lot of it is on basically just charging our worth, realizing that we're worth it. Even though we love our business, that doesn't mean we should be undercharging. Look at your doctor or your dentist. Did they undercharge? No, they charge their high pricing because they're an expert.